Hi, did I just hear that you are planning to travel to Singapore for your next vacation? Then this is the right video for you. Today I'm going to share with you that what are the things you need to pack with you in case you are traveling to Singapore for a vacation. A quick background about me that I'm living in Singapore for last 5 years, so I might be very helpful for you to pack your luggage for Singapore in 2022. But before I get into the details of this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button right below. See, it's just below there. Click on that. Yes, you have done it. Now begin with the video. First of all, we will divide this section into 5 sections. So there will be 5 sections under which I will be telling you what things you need to pack in case you are coming for a tour in Singapore. So the first section is going to be clothes. Let me tell you that Singapore is a very humid country all around the year. So it's located near to the equatorial line. That is why it is always the weather condition is like 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. It is very humid over here and you will get a lot of sunlight and a lot of rainfall here. So the clothes you'll be packing will be all summer clothes. You don't need to carry heavy clothes or materials which are very heavy, because you are going to sweat a lot, and if you wear those heavy material or heavy fabric clothes all day long, then it will be really difficult for you. Along with that, avoid like full pants or jeans, full jeans, because if it is, you can wear jeans, but try to wear wide-legged jeans or in which you are comfortable in, because if it is a skinny jeans or you are wearing something very tight and you are sweating inside that, I hope you can understand how the situation could be with you. So to avoid all these things, you must wear short clothes, cool clothes and comfortable clothes. That is very important. While you arrange your outfit for the vacation, I would recommend that you keep one pair of clothes, like the whole thing what you are going to wear during a day. For one day, you keep one outfit for one day. Packing 1 or 2 heavy dresses, or I may say fancy dresses, is very important, because there are few places and clubs in Singapore which doesn't allow you with shorts and t-shirts, so you have to be dressy at some part of the day as well. Even if you are willing to visit the temples, there are some rules. For example, if you are willing to visit Indian temples in Singapore, then you have to be in an Indian attire or a traditional attire. If you are visiting Buddha temple and other temples, there are rules as well, like you have to wear a dress which is below your knees and your shoulders should be covered, like that. So you can bring a dress like that, like in your 5-day schedule you can bring something for one day which solves the purpose of these religious places. Singapore has a lot of beaches, so you might feel like enjoying the beaches as well, and that's why you would need a swimsuit. So here is an essential tip, that while you are arranging your underwears, take 2 sets of underwears per day, so that way even if you sweat, you can change into another set. Now we get to the shoes. Shoes are going to be very important part of your Singapore trip, because you have to walk a lot. Here you won't get auto rickshaws or something which easy transport between 2 stations or something. You have to walk a lot. If you are going sightseeing or somewhere, you have to walk a lot. Like on an average, you have to walk for 1 kilometer wherever you drop from your car. So for that reason, you have to wear comfortable shoes. It's better to wear sneakers or flat shoes, like that, whatever you prefer. I don't prefer bringing a heel in a place like Singapore. Yes, of course you can pack one, because you have to go to those fancy places in that dressy mode, so then you need to show your stilettos. Other than that, get into your comfy everyday running shoes or something like that, because you need to walk a lot. For the beaches, you can also pack one sandal, which you can also use in your hotel room if you want to, so that comes handy. Hiking is also a part of Singapore tour. If you are more into hiking in places, like there is no mountain to hike, but there are many natural trails in Singapore where you can walk along. Like there are long stretches of 12 kilometers where you can hike, but the thing is, you need to wear such appropriate footwears as well as outfits to enjoy your day at a hiking stay. So coming to our second point, which is weather protection. Let me tell you that in Singapore, it is very unpredictable when it is going to rain and when it is going to be fully sunny, bright day. So just a moment ago, you might see that it is bright and sunny, and just 10 minutes after you can experience heavy rainfall. So it is very important to protect yourself from both the things. Like for a heavy rainfall, you must carry a small umbrella in your backpack, and you must carry sunscreen with you all the time. I would also recommend to carry physical guards against the UV sun rays, that is using a big hat or a cap, using sunglasses and using protective clothes when you are outside. Along with that, you will feel thirsty and you have to keep yourself hydrated all through the day. That is why you need a reusable water bottle which you can bring along with you, because in Singapore tap water is safe to drink. Now coming to our third point, that is hygiene. While traveling in 2022 and after, it is very important to maintain your hygiene. So here in Singapore, I would recommend you to carry a hand sanitizer. So along with hand sanitizers, you will also need wet wipes. Most of the time, if you are in Singapore, you would like to eat at hawker centers or at the cafeterias in shopping malls. So then you need a clean table. They are going to clean it, but because the areas are so big and there are many tables, so what I like to do is to wipe my table with wet wipes and then sit there. After you finish eating, you might also need wet wipes for yourself. Along with that, you would also need dry wipes or tissue papers along with that, because in Singapore nobody uses a handkerchief. Yeah, so I have forgotten about that, and every time you go out you need that. So while you are in the city, you are not going to experience any kind of insects or bugs around you, but if you are going for a hiking or trekking, you might experience a lot of mosquitoes and all. So it's better to pack a mosquito repellent or an insect repellent along with you. Now coming to our fourth point, that is electronics. So whatever electronics you need to carry with you, please make sure that you carry everything, starting from your camera to your mobile phone, to your laptop, to your tablet, whatever you want to take, the chargers, the batteries, because you know here in Singapore the cost will be little higher. For example, you have a camera and you forget to bring your memory card, or you forget to bring the charger, so it will be relatively costlier in Singapore in comparison to India. Along with these, you are going to need one essential thing, that is a travel adapter. So that is very essential, because the Indian plug points or from anywhere in the world you are coming from might not match in Singapore. So I am from India. I know that all the Indian electronic devices, I cannot plug it in directly into the switchboard. I have to use a separate adapter, plug adapter, and then the thing works. So your electrical appliances are going to work fine, but you need a adapter for that. Now coming to medication, you can carry a first aid box and your medicines which are prescribed by your doctor. So what I would do if I would have been in your places, I will visit a doctor and tell him that I'm going for a tour at this place and I need some medicines, like for fever, in case I get fever, in case you know, all these cold and cough, all these normal things, I would take medicine for these things. Stomach upset. So in Singapore, it is very important that along with your medications, you also bring the prescription with you. If you want to know what medications you can bring to Singapore, like a travel first aid kit, then let me know in the comment section and also watch that video out there. I would also recommend you to bring a backpack along with you, because you need to take few things like your camera, your stuff, your water bottle, which you need to carry for the whole day, as you will go out for a day's trip every day when you are in Singapore. So of course you need a backpack for that. So that was all from my end. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.